I'm here in Hospital de St. Pau. Hospital talaga siya dati, pero ngayon ginawa niya siyang museum. Operational siya, pero sobrang ganda daw ng art inside. If art could heal, then this is the hospital to be. That's what they said. So, I'm excited to see dito sa tour. That's it. Ang laki-laki ng place, pero hindi sila lahat open yung inside para sa tours. Meron lang yata ang 4 or 5 building na pwede mong pasukin. Yung mga iba, hindi na, close pa sila as of now kasi nire-restore pa, yung iba inaayos pa. And I think sulit na sulit naman pagpunta mo dito. You will spend around 3 hours, I think, para ma-maximize mo. Lalo na kung mag-walking tour ka, mag-allot ka ng 3 hours for Hospital de St. Pau. I spent only around 600 pesos kasi sa Klook ako bumili. Dito, kapag dito ka bumili, 19 euros, so around 1,100. So malaking tipid talaga kung online ka na lang bibili. Nire-recognize naman nila. But then again, katulad ng sabi ko, kung mag-walking tour kayo, kailangan meron kayong data kasi wala silang wifi and you need the internet connection para ma-access yung audio tour. So, ang sad kasi gusto ko pa naman sana bumili. The audio tour is 2 euros lamang at mapapakinggan mo na. I think kapag kasi may audio tour, yung iba hindi na nila yung pinapansin kasi gusto lang nilang mapuntahan, gusto lang nilang makita, makapag-picture. Pero for you to really appreciate what it means, you have to understand, diba, kung ano yung mga stories behind it, yung history behind it. So, sayang, hindi ko yun experience ngayon because of the internet. Pero, kung wala kayong internet, meron naman sila ditong information guide na binibigay, and also doon sa mga locations meron namang mga board na merong konting information about the area, English and also in Spanish. So ayun, napatingin ako dito, ano to, dalandan. So right now I'm going to exit and eat my lunch. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan, pero maghahanap na lang ako sa paligid. Marami naman ako nakita kanina. And yeah, I think it's really worth visiting Hospital de St. Pau because it's an innovation, and also innovation to think na 1400s pa ito na build. Pero this is the only hospital I've seen that gave importance with art, nature, for the well-being of their patients.